Here's a great tip so you can become a willing bystander. We just want everyone to know what actually happens in a vehicle crash. If we take a vehicle that's going 80 kilometers an hour, there's actually 3 collisions. When that vehicle crashes, the first impact is the vehicle collision. The vehicle hits the tree, another vehicle, and it stops. But at that moment, we're still going forward. The people inside are moving forward. The next one's called the human collision, and that's when we hit the seatbelt, the steering wheel, the dash, and stuff like that, or objects come forward and hit us. That hurts, it causes some injuries, but the third impact is called the organ collision, and this is what really causes damage or fatalities. When your chest stops against the steering wheel or the dashboard, your heart, your lungs, your brain, everything keeps coming forward. Same inertia, and then it starts to hit things. This is why airbags make such a big difference. And the whole body slows down, the body and the organs. And when people are thrown out of a vehicle, it's often fatal. So you know what? Make sure you guys have your seatbelts on. Make sure kids are in their car seats properly. Seniors are properly sitting in the seat and well positioned with their seatbelts on. All right? And if you have other stuff, equipment, materials in the vehicle, keep them in the trunk or behind the net so they don't become loose and come forward and hurt people. Thanks for watching this video. Now you're a willing bystander.